Elevate your surveys with the new ranking field in Formidable Forms, allowing users to easily rank multiple options based on their preferences. Setting it up is simple. It's part of our Surveys and Polls add-on, and if you don't already have it installed, a quick pop-up window will appear when you try to use it for the first time. Easily add, remove, and change the order of your options. Save time with the bulk edit feature or select a preset. You can even add images to make your survey more engaging. With intuitive ranking methods like drop-down selections, direct clicks, or drag and drop, finding out your users' priorities has never been easier. You can also limit selections, like choosing a top 3, and randomize options to increase survey accuracy. Dive into detailed insights with automatically generated reports, including bar and table charts, to understand their preferred choices. Upgrade your survey experience with the new ranking field in Formidable Forms today.